Hey everybody, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the Amazon Basics Folding Utility Knife Aluminum Body Utility Knife. As with all my purchases, I like doing these videos just to remember the things I've bought in the past, and in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the item, they can get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So, you get a nice cloth pouch here, got a opening in the back that is sewn on in case you want to put it on your belt. Velcro closure. And then the utility knife. Amazon Basics, anything I've bought that's been Amazon Basics, the quality has always been very good. I will say I usually buy more electronic items, so I was kind of surprised that they had a utility knife. When I saw it for the price, I thought I would give it a chance. So let's take a look at some of the features of it. You've got rubber over here, so when you're grabbing it, you've got something to grip onto. Got a clip. You want to put it in your pocket or on your belt. Clip's nice and tight. It'll probably loosen up over time using it. And then let's see. It is heavy, even though it says lightweight aluminum body. It is a heavy-duty utility knife. You've got a button right here that you're simply going to press, and that's what's going to release your blade. You'll notice that it locks into place. When you want to unlock it, you're going to press the button again, fold it back down. Rubber piece up top, so if you're cutting, you've got something to rest your thumb on. You've got another button here on the blade. That's going to be what releases your blade. So if you need to change out the razor blade, that's what it looks like. You've got this piece here is just for protection. And then when you'll put it back in, press the button, put your blade in, and you're ready to go. Not a whole lot to show you, but at least it gives you an idea of the quality of it if you get it. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.